Okay, first thing, if you haven't got a cube in your scene, just add one. You do that by just going add, mesh, cube. Once you've got the cube in your scene, make sure that you're on this icon here. Make sure you click this icon. Make sure Eevee's turned on. Make sure you've got a light in the scene. Don't worry if your scene doesn't look like mine exactly, it's not a problem. Okay, so your scene should look something like this. Okay, so the next step, just make sure you've got animation on. So your scene should look something like this. So in the animation tab is highlighted. Okay, once you've got a cube in there and a light, then basically what we're going to do is just animate a change in color and material editor. Click on the cube, and then if you've got a shader assigned to it, great. If you haven't, let's just delete it. Just assume you haven't got a shader assigned to it. Just go to new, and then this will come up, and you've got your shader. As I say, you can change your shader colors by just typing in a new shader color. Let's just call this yellow. Yellow to red, because we're going to animate this yellow to red. Okay, so you got base color here. Let's just go base color, and let's call this bring onto yellow. Okay. Now hover your mouse key over it, and then you can either right click like that and then insert key, or you can just hover over it and press the I key. And then what happens, it creates a keyframe. You see that dot there? That's a keyframe. Now you can scroll your time bar by just clicking on that the blue strip there and just scrolling back and forward. Yeah, so what we're going to do is, this key here is your automatic keyframing key. So we press on that, and as I say, later on we're going to go into these time bars a little bit in detail, but at the moment we won't. So let's click on the automatic keyframer, slide this key up a bit, and then what we're going to do is click on the hair again. This time change the color to red. And if you notice now, it's changed, obviously it's changed it red. Then now if we slide it, what it would do is going to do an interpolation between yellow and red. You see that? So that's the way you can animate your colors. Hi guys, Old Jack here. My Blender 2.8 Fledgling series is now being reduced from $14.99 to $1. So you can get it for $1 at my ArtStation Academy website. I'll put a link below. I'm also going to be uploading episodes of the series on this site for free. So you don't have to download the full Fledgling series from ArtStation Academy. You can check out the episodes on this channel on a weekly basis. Okay guys, I hope you're pretty stoked with the news, and I'm out. Download it, it's only £1, don't be tight, buy it. Alright guys, bye.